from left to right. So when we look at them, I made a pattern. So we're only going to look at the red, and then we're going to look at the yellow, and then we're going to look at the red, and then we're going to look at the yellow, and then we're going to look at the red. We're going to go back and forth, writing them down. So let's look at this top red right here. We have, what number? 10, 5, that's 15. So our first one is 15. Now let's look right here. We have 10, 8. What number is that? 18. Now let's look right here at number 3. Should make it a little easier. We have 10, 3. What number is that? 10, 3 is 13. Number 4 is 10, 9. That's 19. And last but not least, number 5 is 10, 4. That's 14. Now, let's make our own teen counting array. Let's put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then let's pick a different color for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What do we have? 10, 6. That's 16. 10 plus 6 equals 16. Now I'm going to tell you a story about a girl named Eva. And Eva was making cookies. She put her cookies in 2 rows of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many did she have altogether? That's right, she had 12 cookies. Let's count them just to make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Let's show Eva how to split it into 10 too. Let me change my color. How can we split this into 10 too? Let's circle them. Let's see. Circled 10. And I circled 2. And if I want to write it down as a number bond, I can write 12 is the whole, 2 is one of the parts, and 10 is the other part. And does it matter where I write my parts? What if I wrote 10 up here and 2 down here? Would that be okay? Yeah, it doesn't matter where we write our parts. It's still 10 too. It's still 12. So let's erase this. And see if I can find something fun to play with. Let's see, we need some different shapes to play with. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And I'm going to go over here and erase all of our 10 frames. And I'm going to pull up 2 new ones. So we have these shapes right here. We have 20. And let's see, how can we put that on our 10 frames to show that we have 20? Well, 20, if we do it the say 10 way, that's 210. Like that? No, not like that. It's not 10, 2, like 12. It's 2, 10. Like 2 tens. 10, 10. So let's fill in our 10 frames. We need 2 frames filled with 10. Now we have 20, just like our toys over here. Now I'm gonna line these up into lines. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Whoops, I went too fast and I moved faster than my finger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2 groups of 10. 2 tens, that's 20. So we still have 20. Now I'm going to make a circle with them. And how many do you think we have now? Do you guys think we still have 20, or do you think we have a different number? Well, let's count them. But I always get confused when counting in a circle. How can I remember where I started? I know. There are 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6-sided hexagons in a row, and there are 2, 1, 2, 3-sided triangles in a row on either side of this square. So it stands out in my mind. I'm going to start with this square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Yes, we still have 20, even though it's different. Now, let's go over to our whiteboard. And I'm going to put 20 little dots all in a row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Whew, we almost didn't make it. So, does our canvas over here look similar to our toys? I think so. Not exactly the same, but pretty similar. So now I'm going to write a number in the middle of my circle. And then we are going to circle the same number of circles. So our first number is 10, 4. It's 14. So let's go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 circles. Now let's change our number from 14 to 18. Let's see, 18. This, in my brain, my brain is saying to get to 20, I need 2 more. So if I'm going from 20 to 18, I need to get rid of 2. So I know I can circle everything except for 2, and then I should have 18, and that way I don't have to go around and count every dot. Do you guys agree with me? Well, let's count them just to make sure that my brain told me to do the right thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. It worked! Yay! Let's see what our brains tell us to do for this next problem. We're going to have to find the number 12. So 12 is 10, 2. And 20 is 2 tens. 20 minus 12. When my brain sees that, it just wants to count all the way around, and that's okay. Maybe I could even use my fingers and toes to count with. So I know that 2 needs 8 more to get to 10. So 10, 2 should need 8 more to get to 20. So that means I need to circle everything except for 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I'm going to circle everything else. Let's see if that's right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Boop. So we think the answer is going to be 8. Let's find out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yep, that worked. It's a pattern. 2 needs 8 to get to 10, and 12 needs 8 to get to 20.